You may have heard that saying, just because you can doesn't mean you should. That is so true when it comes to healing from betrayal. I see so many couples, and let's say the betrayer isn't stepping it up the way that they need to. The betrayed very often wants to step in and sort of like do the work for them. No, no, no. This is a time for the betrayer to go the distance, to be awkward and uncomfortable and vulnerable in their effort to try to do things differently, say things, show up differently, all of that. And what you don't want to do as the betrayed is make it super easy. Like, well, it's hard for them, so they don't have to do that. Or, nah, it's hard for them, I don't want them uncomfortable. No, no. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. And take a look at how being so capable, I'm sure there are so many areas of your life where you are just crushing it in your work and in your health and in other areas, and maybe with your family, and you know how to hold it together and do so many things at once, and you're the go-to person who gets things done. And what you're also doing is writing the script in how everybody just naturally goes to you because you'll get it done. So yes, you're very capable. Yes, you're very capable, and that's a great, wonderful thing. But when it comes to healing from betrayal, you don't want to have that capability for the two of you. You're busy doing your own work. The betrayer needs to do their work and support you in how you need to be healed, but you do not want to use this opportunity to just have them not make these changes because it's hard for them. It should be hard for them. They're changing who they were, and that's a good thing. So that process has to happen just as you have the opportunity to transform. You don't want to let this opportunity go. We see people within the PBT Institute every day moving through stages 4, stage 5. They're rebuilt, and it's deliberate and intentional. You get to be that stage 4, that stage 5 version of you because of all the hard work you do. Well, it's the same for the betrayer. They have to be willing to do that work so they can become that version of them, worthy and deserving of you. Hope that helps. Follow for more.